What's up everybody, welcome back to another recording. It's been a while since I've made any content, so I'm gonna do a quick easy one. I'm doing the turn signal in the 6th gen CRV, and for anybody who was wondering, I got rid of the Accord and now I'm rocking a CRV. So as we all know, this doesn't come with LED turn signals, so I'll be installing my own. I went with Oxito. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this real quick. So first off, you take these out. So it's that bolt up there and that one right there. Okay, after that, you just wanna grab the whole assembly and pull towards you. Just like so. Okay, so now that it's out, good rule of thumb, when you take it out, have a piece of cloth here to protect the paint. And then you unplug this bit right here. Take that out, turn that, and there goes your bulb. Okay. And before we put it back in the housing, we're gonna test it to make sure it's working properly. And turn it. All right, so now we just go ahead and put this back the way it was. Do not over tighten. As you can see the difference, LED has a quick, sharp flash, and the Thomas Edison has a very slow, delayed flash. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'll get back with you. All right, so there it is. As you can see both sides. Nice, bright flash. And that was a very quick mod that you can do to yours. And just follow the steps in my video and you can do it yourself. Thank you for watching.